welcome back to More Than Must. Today I have a biscuit, a cup of tea and a welder. The major thing I'm missing? Some electricity. Right, so now I have some electricity back and I can actually use the welder. Let's finally fit the box. So I can finally fit these, so I can finally finish off this wiring. Because that's taken way too played. Right, time to make some sparks. Because they're sparky. So, after a escapade of everything sparky and sparkly, it's in. And it's not going anywhere. Well, I hope not. If it does, then we've got other issues. So, where's that leave us now? Well, this here was obviously the second one of the rockers. The other one's obviously already in the driver's side. So I suppose the next thing to do is get all the wiring in. Oh joys. Getting all of the 4 looms into a car that's designed to have 2. This can't take more than a hot minute. Actually, to be honest, I said move the camera. I cheated. I've already put them in. The blade plug on. Nope. Nope. Nah, not there. So, welcome back to the interior of the car. I decided to film this on the back seats for no reason apart from the fact that I was here. So, this corner of the wiring is actually very simple. I have 2. Literally there's 2 wires that come through here. I have like a door switch sensor and a fuel level sensor. It's the easy one. It's that one I'm worried about. So, this is the more complicated corner of the car, purely because all the wiring destined for the boot runs on the side, as well as most of the wiring for the parcel shelf also runs down this side. So that includes tail light wiring, non-plate wiring. We also have speakers. I mean, what else is down here? How much of earths? Earthing blocks. And, you know, fuel pump wiring and another fuel level sensor wiring. Because one's not enough. Nothing too complicated, just lots of ends. Oh, that and the fact that on most cars, the door sensors are on the back of the doors. On a Rover, they're in the door jambs at the front. I don't know why, just there, which makes it annoying because every single one of the wires that do that sensor have to either be shortened or lengthened. There's also wobbling in this. Wobble. So welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the masterpiece that is the wiring of a Rover 2000 with the wiring outline teaser. Yeah, just keeps going. Look, no wiring here yet, but it just keeps on going all the way to the back of the car. The way up, and then across, and then back down the side, and it goes back down this side, and all this lovely carpet that's been pulled up, and back to the front of the car. Hell yeah! Well, that was kind of a quick video. So I was planning a bit more stuff filmed, but sadly, I didn't. A quick wrap up of what's been achieved. This side. Both the kickboxes are now in the car. The wiring is laid out within the car. All the welds are nicely ground off. Ish. So it looks reasonable. And yeah. It seems that most of the wiring that I've tested so far works. I say most because I haven't found where the horn is yet. when I do, I'll make a very short video, about 5 seconds long, that goes meep meep, and that's it. However, I hope you enjoyed this very short episode, and I will see you all around in the next one. See ya!